Trump's hush money case, what lies ahead in tense legal battle. New York, November 18, with the election of Donald Trump as president elect, the trajectory of his criminal case involving hush money payments has taken a significant turn. Prosecutors are set to outline their next step in court this week, prompting speculation about how the justice system will balance the demands of a criminal proceeding with the political implications of a presidency. Here's a detailed analysis of the case's current status and the paths it might take. Donald Trump, 78, was convinced in May for falsifying business records to conceal a $130 lakh payment to adult film actresses Stormy Daniels. This payment, made through Trump's former attorney Michael Cohen, was allegedly aimed at securing Daniels' silence about a sexual encounter she claims occurred before the 2016 election, a claim Trump vehemently denies. Originally scheduled for sentencing on November 26, proceedings were halted last week by Justice Juan Merchan. This pause came at a request of Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg, who cited the need for more time to weigh the delicate balance between prosecuting the case and respecting the office of the president elect. Prosecutors are due to present their proposed course by action by Tuesday. Experts suggest that Manhattan DA Alvin Bragg will likely avoid pursuing a swift sentencing before Trump's inauguration on January 20. Moving aggressively could exacerbate an already polarized political climate. Rebecca Roipe, a former Manhattan prosecutor, speculates that Bragg might ask for sentencing to be postponed, identified patch. Rebecca Roipe, a former Manhattan prosecutor, speculates that Bragg might ask for sentencing to be postponed indefinitely or suggest delaying any punishment until Trump exhausts his appeals, a process that could span years. Alternatively, Bragg may recommend a sentence of unconditional discharge, essentially sparing Trump from penalties such as probation or custody. This isn't about leniency but about pragmatism, said Ropi, now a professor at New York Law School. To proceed as if this were an ordinary case would be to ignore the extraordinary context. Joshua Naftales, a former federal prosecutor, echoed these sentiments, highlighting that treating Trump definitely now, after his election, might be unavoidable. He is no longer just a private citizen, he is the president elect, said Naftales, now a partner at law firm Palace. Trump's legal team has consistently characterized the case as a politically motivated attack orchestrated by Bragg, a Democrat, to undermine Trump's campaign. They argue that the case should be dismissed outright, claiming it imposes unconstitutional burdens on Trump's ability to govern effectively. Justice Merchan will ultimately decide the case's fate, factoring in arguments from both sides. Trump defense's team is expected to challenge any decision short of dismissal and will likely pursue appeals against adverse ruling. Sorry.